Elon Musk recently revealed game-changing details about the 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper, and the updates are nothing short of revolutionary. With advancements in full self-driving, FSD, technology, groundbreaking charging speeds, and a sleeker, more efficient design, this refreshed model is set to redefine the electric crossover market. Curious about the upgrades? Want to know when this cutting-edge SUV will hit the streets? Stay tuned as we break down the major updates, release timeline, and Tesla's strategy to dominate the EV world again. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, turning on notifications, and joining our tech-savvy community for the latest Tesla news and innovations. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has built anticipation for the company's autonomous driving efforts with a preview of FSD V13. Tesla's Vice President of AI, Ashok Laswamy, described this update as a major leap forward, aiming for fully unsupervised driving. The current FSD version 12.5.2.2 has already navigated complex scenarios, but V13 promises even more impressive capabilities. Laswamy hinted that internal testing could begin as early as November, exciting Tesla owners who dream of a true hands-off driving experience. Musk fueled the buzz by responding enthusiastically to Laswamy's announcement. This optimism aligns perfectly with the 2025 Model Y Juniper, which may debut as a showcase for FSD V13. As Tesla's most popular model, the Model Y is the ideal candidate to highlight these advancements. With over 1.23 million units sold globally in 2023, this refresh aims to solidify Tesla's market dominance. Key updates include a projected 10 to 12% improvement in aerodynamic efficiency, potentially increasing the long-range variant's range from 330 miles to 365 miles. Faster charging is also anticipated due to Tesla's rumored 4,680 battery cells, which could improve energy density by 20%. When combined with FSD V13, the Model Y Juniper could offer autonomous highway lane changes, advanced self-parking in urban environments, and seamless long-distance navigation. The refreshed Model Y Juniper is expected to deliver a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.8 seconds for the long-range variant and under 3.5 seconds for the performance model. These updates could give Tesla a significant edge over competitors like the XPeng G6 and BYD Tang, which are gaining traction in the mid-size SUV segment. What do you think? Will FSD V13 make driving the Model Y Juniper safer and more convenient? Share your thoughts in the comments. Tesla's confirmation of its supercharger V4 rollout in 2025 marks a significant leap in EV charging technology. Capable of delivering up to 500 kilowatts, this next-generation infrastructure supports vehicle architectures ranging from 400V to 1000V, dramatically reducing charging times. For Tesla owners, this means not just convenience but also a competitive edge, especially for high-demand models like the Model Y Juniper. With V4, charging speeds could double from the current 250 kilowatts, allowing vehicles to regain up to 250 miles of range in under 10 minutes. The Model Y Juniper's rumored 4,680 battery cells may enhance charging acceptance rates, maximizing V4's capabilities. Compared to competitors like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Porsche Taycan, the Juniper is poised to lead in charging practicality, making long-distance travel more seamless than ever. Tesla is currently securing permits for V4 supercharger sites, with installations expected to begin in early 2025. The first stations will likely be operational in Europe and the United States, prioritizing high-traffic highways, urban centers, and busy transportation corridors. By 2024, Tesla aims to manage over 50,000 superchargers globally, further cementing its position as a leader in EV charging networks. Tesla has also opened some of its supercharger stations to non-Tesla EVs, enhancing inclusivity. This strategy strengthens its market position while supporting broader EV adoption. While the Cybertruck will fully utilize V4's 800V architecture, other models, including the Model Y, will remain capped at 250 kilowatts until their systems are upgraded. As for Australia, Tesla has yet to confirm V4's availability. Tesla China's recent price cuts for the Model Y could hint at a broader global pricing strategy for the upcoming Model Y Juniper. Tesla China announced a limited-time discount of 10,000 renminbi, approximately $1,379, for the rear-wheel drive, RWD, and long-range all-wheel drive, AWD, versions of the Model Y. These discounts bring the RWD variant down to 239,900 renminbi and the AWD variant to 289,900 renminbi, making these models more accessible to price-sensitive buyers. The promotion excludes the performance variant, signaling Tesla's focus on affordable options for expanding its market share. With delivery times of 1 to 3 weeks, this move adds urgency for potential buyers while preparing for the Juniper's 2025 launch. Tesla's pricing flexibility could be critical in regions like China, where the EV market is increasingly competitive. Local and international rivals are ramping up their offerings, making affordability a key differentiator. As the Model Y Juniper introduces advanced features, Tesla may adopt similar discount strategies globally to maintain its edge against affordable competitors. Reports suggest that the discounts also apply to inventory and display units, excluding pre-owned or test-drive vehicles. This approach may help Tesla clear current generation stock ahead of the Juniper's release. Historically, Tesla has avoided regular discounts, making this move particularly noteworthy. The 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper promises a revolutionary combination of cutting-edge technology and market-savvy strategies. From the groundbreaking FSD V13 to the lightning-fast supercharger V4, Tesla is setting new standards for the electric crossover market. Whether through enhanced autonomy, unmatched charging speeds, or strategic pricing, the Juniper refresh aims to strengthen Tesla's dominance in the EV world. What are your thoughts on these updates? Are you excited about the Model Y Juniper's potential? Do you believe FSD V13 will make driving safer, or is full autonomy still too risky? Share your opinions in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest Tesla news and innovations. Stay tuned as we continue to explore how Tesla is shaping the future of mobility.